let's do this one. I read the other one; it's a bit too complicated. So let's try the Hands of Strength. So the idea is Alice has some number of cards, and she wants to rearrange the cards into groups so that each group is of group size, and consists of group size consecutive cards. Given an integer array where Hands of I is the value written on the ith card and integer. Okay, given an integer array hand where given an integer array hand where hand of I is the value written on the ith card and integer group size, return true if she can rearrange the card. Okay. Idea is, I feel like a combination of a hash table is useful here, because this is always 1 through, or 0 to 10 to the 9th. Okay, because I was thinking of whenever you create a group size, it would be useful to use like the max or min, right? Like, so like the minimum, so we can have like a minimum, so like current minimum, which will be kind of trying to build out. Also, I'll keep account of all these cards. Maybe I'll even sort them too, so I can keep track of. Yeah, if I sorted this, right, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, or actually 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Oh, look, okay, I gotta sort them out. So 3, 2, 4 would be, and that looks pretty sorted to me. So yeah, matter of fact, it looks like because it was sorted, we actually found the group of, bro, why is this being weird? Because it was sorted, it was, yeah. We actually found the thing. Yeah. Like sorting it actually kind of worked. Of course, that's not gonna be always the case. Seems like a sorting potential solution. So sort it. Also having some count of or frequency of each number. Because I was also gonna try to do like, okay, take the minimum and the maximum of the each one, right? And so have a frequency, take the min and max, right? So we can do like min, max, right? So min will be 1. Well, actually, not necessarily max. I don't really care. Actually, yeah, I guess max. And we'll go through all the numbers. So we'll also have a count of these, right? 1 through 8. And from 1, I'll try to form a group of size 3. So I'll say, okay, obviously, is 1 in here? Yep, added to the group. Is 2 in here? Added to the group. Is 3 in here? Added to the group. And obviously, we decrement the count each time. I would mainly just do yeah, and then I would do it again basically. So yeah, okay, I see the vision. So yeah, basically I'll do it again till 1 through 8. And if I can form any groups, and if I use all the numbers, yes. False otherwise. That sounds like a decent plan. Let's try that out. So let's do a frequency. We'll use a counter for this, and we'll do hand. And we'll have min, max, which is the min of hand, and max of hand. We'll do for I in range of length of, not length, we'll do basically minimum to maximum plus 1. I do want to try yeah, because I don't know if it's guaranteed to be like 1 through, like always gonna have 1. Like it might be like starting from 3, so I want to start from an inclusive range. So from basically, let's say I start at 1, right? I start at 1 and I want to try to form a group starting from 1 all the way through. I keep going until of case size. So yeah. So basically some start, which is, I guess we could say value, or yeah, value. So we start at value, and then we'll for, I guess, while we'll do size, group size, while size of that, and start is value. So start will obviously decrement size, and then, well, first let me do this while there's still size left, right? Value minus equal 1, or actually want to increment from there because I want to do an increasing thing, and I will, yeah, well, okay, yeah. So first check if is start in okay, first if so start, so let's say if start in frequency, then we'll say frequency of start, right? Then size plus equals 1, or actually my bad, get out of here, right? Or I'll call this actually the end. If I actually make it to the end, okay. Else, well, let's actually say if it's not in. Oh, is it consecutive? Yeah, consecutive means like about plus 1, so it has to be like that. So if it's not, if we do that, we'll just break, right? It's not really an end, it's more like end. While size, if and not in break, then that's pretty bad. So break out of there. If size equals 0, then we know that we've made a group. Or I guess if it doesn't equal 0, I guess return false. And if we exhaust all options, then that should be it right here. Oops, let's call this end actually. We got false and true. Okay, that makes 0 sense. Yeah, if it doesn't equal 0, because technically I should be able to create. Oh yeah, I guess it's not gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 exactly, but it should be in ascending essentially, right? Oh my god, did I start recording like this? My bad. Or okay, maybe instead of I'm doing this all messed up. Okay, I have the idea. It's just like hold on. So let me, instead of doing that, for every hand in, or for every card in hand, if I want to essentially, so whilst we'll call start card, or start, call it start, while start card start or hand of card might miss. Actually, let's do the frequency. Basically, frequency of card start -1 start. Basically, I want to find the start of a sequence. Then while start is less than or equal to group size, I think. So like, okay, we start from there, and then while start is less than or equal to the, so like, okay, basically we'll detect here, like, is the frequency of positive? Yes. So we just start there, right? That's obviously not 0. Then we'll go here. Actually, no, we'll start here. And then we'll basically say while is less than or equal to. Basically, I want to see from here, how far can I go? So from here, create a sequence. So while counter, or was it frequency? So our start, while it's still positive, like there's still numbers left, because there could be another one. For example, there's multiple twos here, so I want to make sure there's still enough of the numbers left. Then start the group size. So from here, I want to find 1 to 2. So if so for next card in range from start to start plus group size. So that I want at the end of the thing is plus this, right, which is 4. Well, obviously not including that, so start, plus 4. So not plus it's start plus group size. Okay, then from here we'll say if next card, and we'll say the frequency, I guess, actually, if next card not in frequency, just return false. Otherwise, next card frequency, do that. Okay, we decrement, and then From 2, I want to find like 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, I want to find for every number, every potential start number. Keep trying it basically. So for 2, can I find any numbers here? Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from 3, I should be able to find it. So we should keep increasing. So start. Let's increase here, and this should work, I think. Oh man, I got infinite while loop. GG's. Oh my god. Why? TLE? Is this too slow? Or is it? Wait, this is not too slow. This is a small one. Maybe I got a while loop stuck. While the frequency of start. What am I doing wrong here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2. Oh, so it needs to be dividable. Well, this one, yeah, this is fine. So there's 3, 4. Oh, I don't know if it's possible for. Well, okay. I basically let me do like something like this. So if length of hand is divisible by group of size, return false. Yeah, because it's test case. So what should I get? I mean, does not equal. Yeah, if it's not it's divisible, I think. I mean, what am I saying? It should be divisible, right? Yeah, there you go. If it's divisible, then false. Okay, now the first one's messed up. So, but this is divisible though. Oh, if it's yeah, if it's basically is group size divisible by the size of the hand divisible. Can you divide it into 3 groups? Yes. No here. So yeah, that should be our edge case there. Okay, but I'm still getting a TLE. It might be this here actually. Wow, frequency. Start plus group size. Or okay, maybe instead of saying, yeah, if the next card is not in the frequency, or actually let's say it is in the frequency. I meant to say like freak. So like freak of next card is at least like it could be in the dictionary. Oh no. If not, so it could be in the dictionary, but if it's equal to 0, so we could just say not. There you go. That's what I meant. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.